Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Windows 11 build is current because live wallpapers need modern APIs. Next, install a reputable live wallpaper app and grant it startup and background permissions so it runs smoothly. Once done, open the app and let it index your display, and GPU for performance suggestions. This speeds rendering and avoids stutters. Make sure you close other heavy apps while initial configuration runs, since that reduces conflicts and helps the wallpaper calibrate correctly. Now you choose the wallpaper and configure how it behaves. Pick between animated, video, or interactive types, then test a sample to check CPU/GPU load. After that, set quality to performance or quality depending on your hardware and assign the wallpaper to one or multiple monitors. Once assigned, configure playback rules, for example, pause on battery or run only when idle, because that saves power and prevents unexpected resource use while you work. Finish by locking settings and confirming the wallpaper persists after reboot. This ensures the experience stays consistent. If you encounter lag or crashes, switch to a lower quality preset or enable compatibility mode, since drivers and hardware differences often cause problems. If issues persist, restart the wallpaper app, check GPU drivers, and reinstall the app as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: disable pause on battery temporarily to see if power settings are stopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.